Hello everyone, in this video I will be using a brand new eyelash curler that I purchased for almond eyes. So this claims to be for almond eyes and that is what I have, so I decided to pick this one up since I always struggle with the other eyelash curlers. So let's see if this works out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below and I will do my best to assist you. So this is what the eyelash curler looks like. It's nice, it's fancy. It is $20. I thought that was pretty expensive for an eyelash curler. But when I looked at it, I was like, okay, I see, it's pretty nice. But it also comes with a little container full of extra little, I'm not sure what you call these, but there's 3 of them in there, which is awesome. So it will be lasting a long time. So usually when I curl my eyelashes, I struggle with the ends of my eyelashes. But as soon as I put this one in, like immediately, they curled quickly. And then all of my eyelashes were in the eyelash curler, which is awesome. So here I am just holding it down for a few seconds. I was a bit skeptical about this product, but when I removed it, my eyelashes actually did curl up really beautifully. They elongated really nicely. If you can see here, they are really long and my eyelashes are really short. And then boom, it has a nice little curl to it. So I was pretty impressed because my eyelashes tend to not curl for some reason. I guess I was just using the wrong eyelash curler all along, but look at that, it's just a nice beautiful curl. So I decided to go ahead and add some mascara. I am running out, so there is not that much product left in the bottle, but I tried to use it anyway. So I will be on the hunt for a new mascara. If you have any recommendations, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. But I actually am in love with this product. My eyelashes are nice and curled and they're holding really well, even with not the greatest of mascara being applied onto them. But if you can see, they look really long. So for this being one layer, I really like them. So this is what they look like up close. It has a really nice natural curl. I do a natural everyday look, so these eyelashes are perfect for that. Alrighty, so here I am gonna do it again, and then let's see what happens to my eyelash. Let's see if it curls any longer. And then immediately you can see, boom, it is super long. My eyelashes are super straight and go super down. So this eyelash curler is amazing. I am in love with it because it curls all of my eyelashes. If you can see how much of a difference that is. If you have almond eyes, I would definitely recommend trying out this eyelash curler. I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check that out. But look at that, I have curl lashes, which is awesome. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this eyeliner and then apply that to my waterline. I like using a brown eyeliner just to give me a nice subtle look. But you can see right here the difference between my left and my right eye. It's subtle and that's the look that I normally go for. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the opposite eye and then just apply that brown liner to my waterline. All the products that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave link down in the description box below for you guys. And boom, that's what they look like. I am obsessed with this product. My eyelashes are very super straight, so every time I curl them, they fall down. I will be purchasing a new mascara to try them out with, but I am obsessed with this product. I definitely recommend it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do appreciate it. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a good one.